Hey, what's up? My name is Toya and I am finally on YouTube. I am hype. Okay, this is a fashion channel and I have another video. Yeah, I do. I have another video on here, but it doesn't really pertain to what I'll be covering on this channel. But this is my first video that is about fashion. It's only a try-on haul. I'll be doing other things with fashion. Yeah, so subscribe and that bell thing, click that so you know when I post. Okay, so I'm gonna just get started, not in any particular order. Oh, this is, what did I buy? This is Target, Fashion Nova, and I think that's it, just a Target Fashion Nova haul. Some things I bought probably about 3 weeks ago. Some of the stuff 3 weeks ago, some of the stuff more recent. The Fashion Nova stuff about 3 weeks ago. And yeah, so I have this cute denim skirt. I would never bought a denim skirt this color, but I seen this little cheap sweater in Target also. Yeah, that's cute though. It's like an ashy black. This is cute though. I bought it in the size, I didn't want it to fit me tight. I bought it in the size 18. How much did I pay for this? Oh, $4. Oh yeah, I paid $4.15. And the same day they had 40% off clearance. So do the math. Yes. Oh, I bought these really, really cute plaid like pants. I tried these pants on. First of all, these pants are size 12. I'm not a size 12, but the stretch is everything. So I was able to get them on and button them. But they are a little small, but I'll just wear it with something long. I'm thinking like a chunky sweater and some cute Oxfords shoes. Something flat, but these are the pants. Really cute. It has like a it has yellow and orange in it. You can see that. Really cute. Yeah, these are size 12. How much are these? I know they were on clearance. I think they were like $8. I must have popped the tag trying to squeeze them on. Okay. Oh, and I got this from Target too. This cute sweater. It's cropped. I paid $11 for this, and I bought all the stuff in the same day, and it was an extra. I don't know if it was 15 or 45. I don't remember because I went twice. And this is it. Really cute. You want to check out the material, and I paid. This is a 2X, and I paid. I think I said that already. And I paid $11. It would have looked real cute with these, with the plaid pants. That would have looked real cute because it would make the little strip of arm in here pop. But that's what is cropped, and them pants tight, so that ain't gonna work. Okay, still with Target, and I bought these pants. I didn't think I was gonna like them. I actually wanted them to fit much bigger, because I thought they were longer, but they're actually like they're actually high-rise pants. These are them, and then they have a zipper on them, and the bottom is tattered. All this stuff all wrinkled until I just had it thrown somewhere. I didn't wear them for the stuff yet. Okay, so on to Fashion Nova. Oh no, I have one more thing I got from Target. It's a really cool t-shirt. This t-shirt, Stranger Things, which is a show on Netflix. 9 times out of 10, you've seen it, heard about it, watched it, or whatever. Oh, junk. Okay, that stuff is from Target. Okay, I just got a few things from Fashion Nova. It's a mock neck, like a midi dress. Wait, it folds way past the knees. Oh, this is so pretty. These colors are bomb together. I love yellow and purple together. Yes, very stretchy. Midi. Let me see. I don't even remember how much this was, but oh, it was here. $32, and I got a large, and it fits really, really, really well. And got another dress from Fashion Nova. This dress I got in a 12, but I noticed that it doesn't. But I noticed that it doesn't have Fashion Nova tags, which is weird. It's called Heart and Hips, affordable luxury. I got this in a size large. It's off the shoulder. This is more of a mini dress. Fits really cute, but it's really tight, like over here on my arms. But it looks good. It's cute. Still looks cute. But I would have definitely went one size up. And I got this skirt from Fashion Nova from the Cardi B collection. I seen a YouTuber with this skirt on, and I liked it. She didn't really like it, but I loved it, and I bought it. It's a little heavy. I'm sure you've seen this, and it has, it's like rusted in front. It's like a faux suede. Can you see that? It's like a faux suede. Really cute, stretchy. And I got this in a 1X. I like it, but it fits me a little weird because I'm not sure where the split goes. It's just kind of funny. Yeah, I'm not sure where no, I know where the split goes, but it's just looking a little awkward on me, to me. Two more things from Fashion Nova, from the Cardi B line. These jackets, these oversized jackets. The same YouTuber, I just don't want to say her name wrong, so I was not gonna say it, but I'll probably guide you to the video. This jacket, wait, can you see? Yes, it's a motorcycle jacket, oversized motorcycle jacket. I got it in burgundy, I got it in black. Let me show you the black one. Oh shit. Grab the black one. And this is the black one. You can see that. Really shiny. It's really cute. I got it in the extra large. Even though the same YouTuber, I watched her put it on, and she put on a size small, which was actually her friend's, and it fit her. And she doesn't wear small because she made me wear like a large, I think, and it fit her perfect. And I still went and got my regular size, and it's kind of big, but it still looks cute. So that is all for this. That was fast. I thought it was gonna be all long. So I guess that's it for this. Stay tuned. I have other videos. I don't know how often I'm gonna post because I don't know how things are gonna go. Still thinking about how I'm gonna do this, but I'm definitely gonna do it. So just look out for me. Remember, just remember my name is Toya Turner.